In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Figma. By the end, you'll feel confident drawing clean straight lines, smooth curves, and complete shapes you can style and reuse in your designs. First, open your design. This can be any file or frame where you want to draw. Once your canvas is visible, we'll focus entirely on creating paths with the pen tool. To begin, select the pen tool from the toolbar or press the P key on your keyboard. Your cursor will change to indicate you are ready to draw. Think of each click as placing a point, also called a node, that defines the path structure. Let's start with straight lines. Click once on the canvas to place your first point. Then click somewhere else to create a straight segment between those 2 points. Each additional click continues the path, building a series of connected straight lines. If you want perfectly aligned segments, hold Shift while clicking to snap your lines to 45-degree increments. This is especially helpful for crisp horizontal, vertical, or diagonal edges. Now for curves using bezier handles. Instead of just clicking, click and drag when placing a point. As you drag, small handles extend from the point. These handles control both the direction and the intensity of the curve. Longer handles create deeper curves, and the angle points the path where it should flow next. Place your next point with another click or click and drag, and you'll see the curve gracefully follow those handle directions. Continue this pattern to create fluid shapes, logos, or decorative lines. When you want to close a shape, move your cursor back over your original starting point. Watch for a small circle to appear next to your cursor. That circle tells you are about to close the path. Click, and the shape will be sealed. Because it's closed, you can now add a fill color in the fill section of the design panel. Choose a color to instantly turn your outline into a solid shape, ready for use in your layout. If you don't want to close the shape and instead want to leave it as an open path, press Escape on your keyboard or click Done in the toolbar. This finishes the path without connecting back to the start, which is perfect for lines, underlines, connectors, or accent strokes. That's it. Thanks for watching.